In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite additional attendee in Microsoft Outlook meeting. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open an existing meeting in Outlook on the web, add someone new, and send a clean update without disrupting everyone else. Start by opening your web browser and going to outlook.live.com. Sign in if you're not already. Once you're in, switch to the calendar. On Outlook for the web, you can find the calendar icon in the left sidebar. Clicking it takes you straight to your schedule. If you don't immediately see the event you want, try changing the view between day, work week, or week until it appears. Next, find the meeting you've already scheduled and click it once to open its details. Make sure this is a meeting you organized. Only the organizer can add attendees directly. If you join someone else's meeting, the edit option may be limited or unavailable. When the event card opens, choose Edit. For recurring meetings, Outlook may ask whether you want to edit just this occurrence or the entire series. Pick the option that matches your intent. Choose the single occurrence if the extra person only needs to attend one date. Inside the editing window, look for the field labeled Required Attendees or Invite Attendees. Click into that field and type the person's name or email address. Outlook will suggest matches from your contacts and directory as you type. Select the correct person. If they're not essential to the decision-making, consider adding them as optional, which helps others see who must be there versus who's a nice-to-have. If it helps with context, add a short note in the meeting body explaining why you're adding them, so that the new attendee understands the purpose and existing attendees know what changed. As a quick tip, many organizations enable a scheduling assistant that shows availability. If you can see it, it's useful for checking conflicts before you send. When you're ready, click Send to distribute the update. Outlook may prompt you to send updates only to added or removed attendees or to everyone. If nothing else changed, sending only to added or removed attendees keeps inbox noise down. The new person will receive the full meeting invite with date, time, location, or online meeting link, and any attachments. Existing participants will keep their current invite, and the meeting link remains the same. That's it. Open Outlook Calendar, select your meeting, edit it dos, add the attendee, and send the update. Simple, clear, and done.